have lot of programs so that people come and avail whatever schemes are there. And especially this was for farmers. But I find quite a lot number. I don't know, because there is a festival, I believe, where they could have attended, which is not. So I want people to come, avail whatever schemes are there, and develop a village.
Madam, in your vote of thanks, you said that more people should come in because Velsao especially is a farming area.
Exactly.
So anything on that you think you spread awareness more?
Yeah, I will try to maybe send letters to everyone, but of course maybe we'll have to do an announcement maybe one day prior to the, so that people remember.
No, खुशी झालो की आमच्या MLAन इतले त्रास पडटाले लोकांक वास्को वचोन पडटाले आनी ते सगळ्यो स्किमी हाडून पडटाले जेन्ना आमचो CM हिंगा येयल्लो व्हरताली तेन्ना आमी ते कडेन रिक्वेस्ट केली की आमकां झोनल ऑफिस वास्को जाय मुरमुगांव तालुका जाय आनी हें एक ड्रीम आतां थोडे तेंपान तुमकां दिश्टी पडटलें तें खूंय ऑफिस स्टार्ट जाता आनी हेका लागून म्हाका काळजांत खुशी म्हणजे आमचो आज MLA कितें तर सांगिल्लो तो मनांतल्यान तो दाखयना आपण कितें कोत्ते ह्या हातान दिल्या ह्या हाताक म्हणून असो तो तेजो एक स्वभाव आनी हांवें तेकोच्यान चोयलो जाल्यार आज तो खूब काम करता आनी एग्रीकल्चर वयर हाडपाक तेजी जायती योजना.
Sometimes what happens, it is very difficult for the farmers to reach to Margaon in time, and we thought of having it in Velsao just to create an awareness and bring the schemes of the department to their doorstep, because here in the panchayat everybody gets an access. On the request of the Sarpanch and by Dina and Velsao Pani Tenant Association, the president of proposing, we have come here to create an awareness. We have already told them, informed them about the various schemes in which they can take benefit. We also informed them the minimum area required to have a Krishi card, because without the Krishi card it is not possible to take benefit of the scheme. And the good news is that a new office for ZDO Margaon, as for ZDO Marmanga, will be starting from Kortali. Earlier, Marmanga Taluka were handled by our office in Sunset. So once the new office will be set up, I promised them we'll be having regular camps. I've also promised them every week or at least once in 15 days we'll be sending one of the staff to the panchayat to take care of the formalities in application of the scheme.